Yes, good morning friends, how are you all? Fine. Welcome back to online classes again. Now we are in fourth class, that is revision, polynomials. First chapter we finished already, number system, and second chapter yesterday only I started, that is on polynomials. What are polynomials? What is the degree? What are the coefficients? How to find out the remainder? Yes, and some factorized problems, identity. Today, let me explain about long division method because it is very important. Long division method. Long division. This is very important. Long division means what? For example, in numbers 179 divided by 9. For example, small example, or you take 219 by 19 like this. Now what we do? 2179 divided by 19. If you take this to 19, here 21 is there, therefore 19 1 ja 19, 27. Again 19 1 ja 19, 17 means 80, yes 9, 19 5 ja 95, will not go, 19 4 ja 72. Like this. Okay na? Yes. Sorry. 19 4 76. Is nothing but yes 13. Okay na? Like this. So this 2179 is nothing but dividend. This 19 is known as yes divisor. This is 114 is known as quotient, and this 13 is known as remainder. Okay, so this is very important. Dividend, when you divide the dividend with divisor, you will get quotient and remainder. Therefore the formula is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay na? So like this actually. So we will take one by one. Okay, that we will use in the expression, that is in polynomials we use. Okay, we know how to use in the numbers, we have seen. Today how to use in the yes. For example, x cube 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. See, very important. In these polynomials, we have to concentrate only on the first term. We are not supposed to concentrate on any other terms. First you see number 1. 1 is there, here 3 is there. Therefore 1 into multiplied by 3 means 3 only. Right? Next x is there, x to the power of 4 is there. Therefore I will multiply with 3x cube. So that 3x cube into x is nothing but 3x to the power of 4. Take down 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube. Now plus will become minus, minus will become plus, cut, minus x cube. Okay na? Now here minus is there, here plus is there, therefore minus x square. Minus x cube, minus into minus plus x square. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus, cut, minus x square minus 3x. Now see, minus x. So minus x square minus into minus plus x. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Minus 4x minus 1. Yes, it is now minus 4. Therefore, minus 4x minus into minus plus 4. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus 4. Minus 5. When you divide 4x cube, sorry, 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. So this is the quotient. Now we will do one thing. We will verify whether we will get or not. Okay na? Now verify. X minus 1 into 3x cube minus x square minus x minus 4 minus 1. When you expand, you should get this dividend. Okay na? We will see, no problem. Now first one, x into 3x cube, 3x to the power of 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 4x. Multiply with minus 1 minus 3x cube plus x square plus x plus 4 minus 1. Now very simple. 3x to the power of 4 as it is, minus x cube minus 3x cube will become minus 4x cube. Okay? Right. Now plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus 4x plus 3x plus x. It is nothing but minus 3x. Now 4 minus 5 is minus 1. You see now? 3x to the power of 4, 3x to the power of 4, minus 4x cube minus 4x cube, minus 3x minus 3x, minus 1 minus 1. Okay na? So this is the default verification. So it will be around 3 marks or 5 marks. If verification is there, then this year the 4 marks will not be there. Therefore, how many marks will be there? For 5 marks. Okay na? Did you understand? Yes. We will do one more problem, then you will understand. So here log figure method is very useful because we will get the correct one. Okay na? There is no need of confusion or how much will come or why it will come like that. Okay na? For all your questions, answer will be there here in this. Now one more. X cube plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this problem I will write like this. X cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay na? So this problem I have made it like this. Now very simple. Now here x is there, x cube is there. Therefore how much? X square. X square into x cube plus x square. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus cut. So minus x square is there. Again plus x. Minus x. Minus x square minus x. Minus will become plus, minus will become plus over. So x plus 1. Plus 1 if you take, it is nothing but x plus 1. Plus 1 will become minus, plus 1 will become minus. Both cancel, it is nothing but 0. Okay na? Now, if you want, you can verify whether you will get or not. Yes, we will verify here. X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now very simple, x into x square x cube minus x square plus x square minus x plus 1. Minus x square plus x square cancel, plus x minus x cancel. Therefore, what is the answer? X square plus 1. You see? X cube plus 1. No x square term, no x term when it is like this. Okay, ma'am? So this is for 3 marks problem, very simple problem. Understood? Yes. So this method is known as long division. Okay? Yes. will go for applications of identities. Okay, na? Identities, we will see applications, how they will apply, how they will work. Okay, na? Yes, they will work. Yes. Factorize 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. So this is the problem, is asking us to factorize. So there are two methods are there. I will do like this. If you observe, 49a square is a perfect square and 25b square is a perfect square. So I will write like this: 7a the whole square. Here 5b the whole square. Now this term 100% 2ab term, 2 into 7a into 5b. You can verify. 2 5 is 10, 10 into 7, 70ab. 7a whole square is 49a square and 5b whole square is 25b square. So this I can write as 7a plus 5b whole square. Or you can write it 7a plus 5b into 7a plus 5b. So like this. Did you understand? So it is very simple. Yes. Sometimes you will get some more problems like 25 by 4 x square minus 81 by 121 y square. So identities we have seen here, only two are there, means it is nothing but a square minus b square. That we will write like this: 5 by 2x whole square minus 9 by 11 y whole square. So it is what happened? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Therefore, what happened? 5 by 2x plus 9 by 11y and 5 by 2x minus 9 by 11y. Okay, na? So like this we can identify. So this is also one of the identities and this is also one of the identities. Okay, na? Right. Yes. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is factorize. This is also factorize. We don't have factor theorem, but factorize is there. Therefore, you see, in this, like this question means last number you take, that is 2. Take its factors plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Now let f of x will equal to like this. Now you substitute f of 1. So 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Therefore, what is the answer? Yes, 0. When f of 1 will be equal to 0 means x minus 1 is the factor. Is the one of the factor. Therefore, remaining factors we have to find out. Very simple. Now divide that given number, that is expression, sorry, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now we divide, x is there, x cube is there, therefore it is x square, x cube minus x square, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, cancel. So it is nothing but minus x square minus x. So minus x square plus x. Yes. Plus will become minus, cancel, minus 2x plus 2, therefore minus 2, minus 2x plus 2, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, therefore we have x square minus x minus 2. Again we have to factorize this, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Now you see, minus into plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2x plus, like this. So take x common, x minus 2 plus 1, x minus 2, therefore x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay na? So like this, therefore the factors are x equal to 2 and minus 1 and 1. 1. 2 minus 1, 1. That means what? If the expression or polynomial is of degree 3 means we will get 3 zeros. If it is 2 means we will get 2. If it is only 1 means we will get only 1 zero. Understood? Yes. This is very, very important. Like this problem, we will do one more, then we will understand. Yes. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So let it be x square like this, f of x equal to, now yes, factors of phi are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 5. So we will take first one, f of 1. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. Therefore what happened? 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 1 minus 12, 17 minus 16 is not equal to 0. Therefore 1 is not, sorry, x minus 1 is not a factor. We take x plus 1, that is f of minus 1 we take. Then what happened? Minus 1 whole cube, minus 3 into minus 1 whole square, minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. So very simple, minus 1, minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. So it is nothing but minus 9 plus 9 cancel, answer is 0. Therefore x plus 1 is one of the factors. Now take this. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 divided by x plus 1, because minus 1 is a factor, therefore we should take x plus 1. Now see, x square, that is x cube plus x square, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, cancel, minus 4x square minus 9x, that is minus 4x. So minus 4x square minus 4x. Minus 1 will become plus, minus will become plus. Minus 5x minus 5, therefore minus 5. Then what happened? Minus 5x minus 5, minus will become plus, minus will become plus, cancel. Answer is a 0. Therefore, what is the factorization? Again, we have to do factorization. X square minus 4x minus 5. I will do like this. X square minus 5x plus x minus 5. If you take x as common, x minus 5 plus 1 means again x minus 5. Therefore, x minus 5 into x plus 1. Okay na? So, x minus 5 into x plus 1. So, like this is nothing but using the long division method, we can factorize the cubic polynomials. Okay na? Please take down. Yes, we will solve some of the problems. Now see, yes, find the value of the polynomial that is f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5 when x equal to 3 and minus 3. When x equal to 3 and minus 3. So very simple. First one, f of, I will find out 3, that is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 7 into 3 minus 1. So very simple. 3 cube is 27 minus 4 into 3 square 9 plus 7 3 21 minus 5. So 27 minus 4 9 36 plus 27 minus 5. Now friends, these two friends, 27 plus 21, that is 48 minus 41. Therefore, what is the answer? 7 only. This is, yes, this is when x equal to 3. Now we will find out when x equal to minus 3. Now f of minus 3 is equals to minus 3 whole cube minus 4 into minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 minus 5. Now very simple. Minus 3 whole cube means minus 27 minus 4 into minus 3 square. Minus into minus is plus only 9 minus 21 minus 5. So minus 27 minus 36. Okay na? Yes. Minus 21 minus 5. Now all are minus only. So 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 minus. That's all. Therefore, f of minus 3 is equals to minus 18. Yes, here you see 3 cube 27, 3 square 9, 9 into 4 minus 36, 7 3 are 21 minus 5. So 27 plus 27, 48 minus 41 is equals to 7. Okay na? X cube minus 4x square. Now here minus 1 minus 27 minus 9, that is plus 9 minus 36 minus 21 minus 5 minus 27 minus 36 minus 21 minus 5 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 7 19 19 1 3 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. Okay na? Please take note. Next. Yes. if f of x equal to or p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, then evaluate p of 2 minus p of minus 1 plus p of 1 by 2. See, evaluate means what? It is nothing but find the value. Okay, na? We find one by one. First, let me find out first p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. P of 2 we find out. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. 2 square is 4 minus 4 to the 8 plus 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. Okay na? Yes. Next. Again p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now p of minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Therefore 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay? Very very simple, because minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus is plus, and plus 3 as it is, total will be 8. Next, p of half, again p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Then p of half equal to half whole square minus 4 into half plus 3. Half whole square means 1 by 4 minus 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that is 2 plus 3, or 1 minus 4 2 ja 8 plus 4 3 ja 12 divided by 4. Therefore 1 plus 12, 13 minus 8 divided by 4, it is nothing but 5 by 4. Okay na? Yes. First one is minus 1, second one is 8, and third one is 5 by 4. Now we will take the problem. What is the problem? Evaluate p of 2 minus p of minus 1 plus p of half. First one, how much you got? Minus 1. Minus of 8 plus 5 by 4. Now minus 4 minus 32 plus 5 divided by 4. So minus 36 plus 5 divided by 4. It is nothing but equal to minus 31 by 4. Okay, this is the answer. Yes. You understand? So like this, evaluate means we should find out the value. So this is p of 2, this is p of minus 1, and this is p of half. So just you substitute the values in this. P of 2 is minus 1, p of minus 1 is 8, and p of half is 5 by 4. Then taking LCM as 4, then multiplying 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 4 8 is 32 minus 32 plus 4 4 cancel 5. Then minus 36 plus 5 divided by 4, otherwise minus 31 by 4. Understood? Yes. Please take down. Yes, one more problem. Yes. Now find out the zeros of the given polynomial. Very simple. We should find the zeros of the polynomial x minus 4 a, b 3 minus 6x, c 2x minus 7 and D 2y. So very simple. You just equate into 0, that much only. X minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 4 will become plus 4. That's all. Okay na? Very simple. Now this also 3 minus 6x equal to 0. 3 is equals to 6x. Therefore x equal to 3 by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Therefore x equal to half. All 20 seconds problem only here. Now same 22x minus 7 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 7. If it comes here, it will become plus 7. So x equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, in the first case, 4 is the 0 of the given polynomial, half is the 0 of the given polynomial, and 7 by 2 is the given polynomial. Fourth one very important. 2y equal to 0 means 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, y must be equal to 0. Because 2 must be equal to 2 only. 2 will not be equal to 1 by 2 or 1 or anything. But y must be equal to 0. Then only this expression will become 0. Because 2 will not be equal to 0. Why 2 will not be equal to 0? We can't imagine this also. 2 is never be equal to 0. 2 is equal to only 2. No other things. Did you understand? Yes. Like this we can do the problems. This is one set of the problems to find out the zeros of the given polynomials. Okay na? Now we will find out the applications of the given identities. Shall we find out? Yeah. Very simple. First one, a plus b plus c whole square. And on that, we will do one or two problems, then we will understand everything. Yes. Expand. They can give expand 4x minus plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So it is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. Always we should remember the identity, then only it will be easy. Therefore, I will write like this. First one 4x whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 2z the whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. A is 4x into b is 3y plus 2bc. 2 into b is 3y into 2z. Next 2xz. 2 into x is 4x into z is 2z. Over. If you write this much, then 50% of the problem completed only. Now we have to expand. 4x square means many students they write only 4x square. It's not correct. Bracket square means the square will be applicable for the number also and the alphabet also. Therefore, it will become 16x square plus 3 square 9y square plus 2z square. 2 square is 4z square plus 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 12. X, y. Next, plus 2 3 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12 y z. Sorry, 2 4 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24 here. Yes. Now 2 3 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12 y z. Next. 2 4 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Here, yes. 16x z. So this is one step and this is the second step. How many terms? 1, 3 into 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, na? Yes. Like this only one more problem we will do, then you will understand. Very very simple. 3a minus 2b plus c whole square. Same, there is no problem at all. Again 3a whole square plus minus 2b whole square plus c square plus 2 into 3a into minus 2b plus 2 into minus 2b into c plus 2 into 3a into c, 2ab, 2bc, 2ac over. Now 3a whole square, 9a whole square plus 4b square plus c square. Now here minus is there, therefore plus into minus is minus. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12ab. Again minus 2 2 ja 4, 4bc plus 2 3 ja 6, ac. Therefore a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus plus 2a plus 2bc plus 2ac like this. Okay na? Yes. Now one more identity. Already yesterday we discussed the identities. Correct or not? Yes? Yes. Just we will take the applications of them. Yes. One more. 4a minus 3b whole square whole cube. Right? Therefore you can write 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus, yes, 3 into a into b, again in bracket you can write 3a minus 4a minus 3b. This is short form, you can write. Now 4a, 4 cube is 64, a cube minus 3 cube is, yes, 27b cube minus, you can do it, 3 4 ja 12. Here also 3 4 ja 12. 12 into 12, 144. A into a square b plus 3 4 ja 12. 12 into 9, 108 ab square. That's all. Therefore, a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. Okay na? Yes. One more we will do. Four x minus 5y whole cube. Very simple. 4x whole cube minus, plus we write plus 5y whole cube plus another one we can do it. Okay na? No problem. We do like this only. 3 into 4x into 5y into 4x plus 5y. Now very simple. 4 cube is 64x cube plus 5 is 125y cube plus 3 4 ja 12, 5 4 ja 20, 20 into 12, 240 x square y plus, okay, same, 5 4 ja 20, 3 5 ja is 300 x y square. Okay na? So very simple. 64x cube plus 125y cube plus 240x square x square y plus 300 x y square. Okay na? Find 4x whole cube plus 5y whole cube or 2y whole cube. X cube plus y cube is equals to what is there? Very simple. X plus y, that is, you know that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Therefore, it is nothing but 4x plus 2y into 4x whole square plus 2y whole square minus 4x into 2y. Therefore, 4x plus 2y into 16x square plus 4y square minus 8xy. This is the answer. Okay na? Ax cube plus b cube means a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Like this. Next. So these are the identities. Okay na? One more identity is there that I will show now. That is the result. It is not identity, it is the result. Yes, that is result that we will see in the next class. Okay? Next class not only identity is there. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square minus b square. Sorry, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. For example, if a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then what happens? A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to, it will become 3abc. Okay? This is the last identity. Here very simple. For example, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 7 whole cube. So here you can write 3 plus 4 minus 7. All cancel 0. Therefore, this will be equal to 3abc. Therefore, 3 into 3 into 4 into minus 7. It is nothing but minus 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36 into 7. 7 6 ja 42, 7 3 ja 21, 252. Therefore, 252 is the answer. Understood? So this is the last identity. I hope you understood the session. Okay, thank you. Take care. God bless you.